guys? Mr. Silva here with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to find a good selling decal. Before you can start making money selling vinyl decals online, you have to find the right decal to sell. In other words, you have to do your research and check what decals are selling good so you can go and sell it yourself. At this point, your best friend is gonna be Google, which is free and everybody has access to. We're gonna search for vinyl decals. All right. And as you can see, we're gonna go to images. As you can see, we have tons of results with all kind of different styles and colors. Okay, I'm going to be more specific on the search, and I'm going to type baby on board vinyl decals. And again, we have a bunch of results with different styles, different colors, and different prices also. Okay, the first row we have here, these are the top websites that sells these kind of decals. And okay, this one is a very popular. Let's see. Okay, and then details. Well, $3.88 each. The price is not, well, it's not that bad actually. Let me see how many this guy have sold. He sold one on March, two on March, two on February. Might not be a good one. So we're gonna narrow down the search to Goku baby on board vinyl decals. And all right, we have again on the first row we have the top website selling this kind of decals. For your records, two of the best websites or platforms to sell vinyl decals are eBay and Etsy. In this video, we're gonna be focusing on eBay. Okay, let's see this one. Alright, I'm gonna check details. Okay, this guy right here, he have sold 78 units at $2.99. Price is not so good, but well, this guy have sold plenty of them. Let's see, on April 3, 4, and then a bunch of more on March, and a bunch of February and January. Oh, this looks like a decent selling decal, you know, because you have to check also that this decal is constantly selling during even in different months. Okay, let's go back. These are similar items sold on the same platform, which is eBay. Let's go back to the search. Let's try this one. Go to the website. Okay, here it is. Look at this one. This guy has 385 units sold so far, and the price is $4.99, which is a good price. And let's see. Okay, on April, 1, 2, 3, a bunch of them on April, a bunch of them on March, February, January, even last year. Okay, this is something we have to pay attention to, because this guy has sold 385 units, and every month is constantly selling this decal. So this might be a good one. Okay, let's see. It has oh, so many different colors. It has different colors, and first class. Okay, this one looks like a winner to me, and I think we're gonna go for this one. And for my next video, I'm gonna actually show you how to make this decal, how to cut it, how to width it, and how to actually make it. And but definitely this is a good selling decal. And all right, guys, so see you on my next video. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, let me know. Alright, guys, thank you for watching, and see you in another video.